Hey my Glam family, welcome back to my channel. This your girl Simone. I'm back with another video on how I got my silver hair. Okay, so before I get started, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because if you don't, then what are you doing with your life? Like, come on. Anywho, moving on to this silver hair and how I got it. Because sis, you can't tell me this ain't cute. Boo, I'm giving storm vibes, okay? So I got this hair off of Amazon and B&L Hair, that's what the brand is. It's 613 blonde body wave lace front wig. And I got it in 20 inches and it is a 13x4 and 150 density. I like it. It's, you know, it's not too full. The ends kind of were. This is how long it is on me when I stretch it out. But yeah, I had to cut the ends just a little bit because they were like kind of thin. I used purple shampoo, the Shimmer Lights shampoo, and I'm gonna show y'all on the screen because I used a bucket. I used hot water, really hot water, and then I put the shampoo in there, and then I let the wig sit in there for 15 minutes for the first time, and then the second time I put it in there for another 15 minutes, so altogether it was 30 minutes. I did the watercolor method, the Adore Platinum 150, and this is the color it looks like in the bottle. Like I was saying, I used the Kiss Mystic Silver hair color. This is the bottle that it looks like. I dipped the hair into the Adore Platinum, and I let it sit in there for a couple of minutes, and then I took it out. I left it in there for a couple of minutes because I didn't want it to get too dark, and this is the color that it turned out to be. I really love it. It's different for me, but it's cute. I really like it. It did shed a little bit, but of course because it's blonde, and for real, that's what any hair, it does shed, so, but not too much. I get maybe like 1 or 2 strands, but that's like right now I just got like, that's 2 strands. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's 2 strands, so ain't nothing wrong with that. Really like it. I'm probably gonna do a different color once I get my silver out of the way. I mean, because I don't know how long I'm gonna rock this. Probably just gonna get another one and do a different color. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe like I said before, and hit that post notification bell so you know every time I upload a video, and follow my Instagram right there. Follow my Instagram, y'all. I mean, I be on there, but all you gotta do is say hey. I'm not, you know, I'll respond. Thank y'all for watching my video, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye. Sugar.